Right, Chef Liam, we are going to dip our strawberries in chocolate. Okay, and as if by magic, I already have some melted chocolate here. When we are doing this is called a last lick, and that's because it will go around the bowl like that and pick up the last bits. So we're going to look at our strawberries and we're going to pick some nice ripe ones, and when we're looking at our strawberries we're looking for ones that don't have any badness on them. We want them to be really nice. And then we hold the end, and all you're going to do is dip it in, twist it a little, hold it by the leaves and bring it out. We're going to put them just down on there. Now, pick a strawberry, whichever one you want. Let's just check it. Okay, we'll dip that straight in. That's the economical way. Well done. And then just put it down there. Take another strawberry. Wiggle it in. Well done. Now that is nicely in there. Look, you can move that over onto this one. That's okay. Okay. There you go, you can put it on this plate now. Now, generally speaking, the best thing we can do with our strawberries is have put them on a plate that they stay on, and then we put them in the fridge briefly. Okay? I'm just going to do this so that you... Now, the freezer would work as well, but if they're on a plate and we put them in the fridge, their chocolate will go hard very quickly, and then they'll stay like that, which makes life a lot easier. What do you think we do with the chocolate that's gone onto the mat? Do you think you get to eat that? Yes, go on. You can eat that. You can dip your fingers in that and eat that, and then I'll go and wash them off. But that wasn't difficult to make those, was it? Do you like chocolate? Well, that is good news then. Do you like strawberries? I think we're on to a winner.